Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now we have the first flat scale, F major. Now we're going to have our second flat scale, B flat major. Let's find the same pattern. B flat to C, there's the B in between, so that's a whole step. C to D, there's the note in between, so that's a whole step. D to E, there's the note in between, so that's a whole step. Uh-oh, we don't want that. We actually want a half step there. So I'm going to get rid of the whole step there. And we're going to change the E to be E flat. So we're going to lower the E to E flat, and that makes the half step. And then E flat to F, now there's the E in between, so that's the whole step. F to G, note in between, whole step. G to A, note in between, whole step. And A to B flat, because the B is already flat. You have to flat the B at the start and at the end, and that gives us the half step. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step. And now we have our second flat, E flat. So I'm going to put it up here. Our E flat. Now here I put the B flat on the line, on the treble clef for a key signature. But since we have the E flat as well, I'll go ahead and add that. There's our E flat, and down here as well in the bass clef, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat. Let's take a look at what that is on the actual notes. There's our B, so we flat it. Now in music, if the key signature is already given, you don't have to flat you don't have to put all of the flats in front of the notes. It's already given at the start, so it goes for the whole piece. However, just to clarify for now, I'm going to go ahead and add in the flats for the scale and the chord. So we have the B flat to B flat to C, whole step, C to D, whole step, D to E flat. Remember the E is lowered because that was a whole step, and we want a half step, so the E is lowered to E flat. So I'm going to add that in, and then that's a half step. E flat to F, whole step, F to G, whole step, G to A, whole step, and that's correct because we want 3 here, and then our half step, B again, so we're going to flat that as well. So we have a B flatted at the start and B flatted at the end or at the top. Let's take a look at the chord. Now if we're on B flat, then we're going to skip up, so B, C, D, that's our third, so we're going to skip up to D, B flat to D, and then from D to F, that's our next third. So we're going to skip up to F. Same thing here. Here's our B flat. We're going to skip up and then skip up, and that makes our chord. This is C major, F major, and now B flat major. And with the chords, C major, F major, and B flat major. And this one is written as blocked. So that would be... Okay, take out your practice pile. We're going to add 3 to it. The B flat major scale. Go ahead and write it out. B flat, C, D, E, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and then B flat. And it's not flatted at the bottom. I'm going to correct that. There we are. Flatted at the bottom as well. And then our B flat major chord. And spell it out. B flat, skip up to D, skip up to F. That'll form our chord. And then the B flat major key signature. And that would be at the start of the piece, the B flat and E flat. And so write it in the back, B flat, E flat. Add those to your practice pile and practice them as much as you can until they become very easy. And as always, have a great day.